Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the January month's Jewel Grabox, which I recently got. I've got both the boxes and I'm doing a separate video on both of this. So I already have a video on the Minio Grabox. If you are interested, go ahead and check it out. It'll be there in the description box for you guys to check out. So yeah, and also before we go ahead to the unboxing, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And now without any further ado, let's just get started with the unboxing of the January month's Jewel Grabox. So starting off with, I have the product list sent to me like this, which looks really nice. Nothing too fancy, but you get to know all the content of it. Very simple, very cute. I really liked it. I don't know why, I kind of like it. And also you get products worth rupees 1800 in this month's box, and you can get the box on their website, which is www.facon.com. Facon is Facon, and it'll be there on the screen for you guys, and also the pricing is also mentioned on the screen right now. You can see it, and it will also be there in the description box for you guys to check out. So please go ahead and check out before you get it. And yeah, I'm just gonna go through the products that I have in this month's box. Yeah. So the first thing is, let's start off like this. So this is the first thing, which is the diamond stud earring, which is for 150 rupees. I don't know why this one is for 150 rupees. This doesn't... Okay, so this is how it looks. I'm gonna wear this and show you how it actually looks on me. So this is how it looks on me. This is a perfect earring if you're gonna wear it on a daily basis. I really like it, but I wouldn't accept the fact that this one retails for 150 rupees. I wouldn't give 150 for this stud earring for sure. Yeah, so that's the first product in the box, and then I'm gonna go ahead and see what we have. Okay, I'm just gonna go randomly pick this up and see. So this is the next earring that you get in the box, so the second one is this one, which it says it's a oxidized triangle earring, which is for 250 rupees. So this is how it looks. I'm just gonna open this for you. Okay, this feels sort of heavy, but not too heavy. So yeah, authentic oxidized jewelry. I'm gonna wear this and show you how it looks. So this is how it looks. It looks really nice. I think this would look good on round shaped faces. And also I don't like hanging, because I feel my ears look very bare here, which I totally don't like. But I sort of like this, but I wouldn't say this is my favorite. Yeah, so that's the second earring that you get in this box. Nice. So the next product is also a earring, which is the silver long chain earring, which is for 250 rupees, and this is the earring. Actually, this looks nice, and I don't know why if this is same with all of them. If you can see here, I could see some color fading or the silver colors gone. I'm not sure if it is the design or if it is actually gone. I see it like not everywhere, but here and there, which puts me in doubt. So I'm gonna wear this and show you how it actually looks. This looks so dazzly. So this is how it looks. It looks very long, nice, and so dazzly. So I like the fact that the earring touches my shoulder. I don't know why it feels so nice when it does. So yeah, that's the next product in the box, and I sort of like this earring quite more. The next product is a geometrical earring, which is for 150 rupees. I like the fact that they have mixed up, you know, with golden stoned and also some, silvers and stuff, because it doesn't look everything, if I wouldn't like it like, all of the earrings are silver or just gold, but a mix is always nice. And also, this you can wear, if you're wearing any Western wear, which is a good thought, like, to mix and put everything in one box is so nice. So this is also a earring, a hanging sort of a earring. So the geometrical shape, this is the geometrical shape, and I'm gonna wear this and show you how it looks. So this is how it looks. So this looks very nice, and this can be worn with any of your Western wear. I am not a hanging earring sort of a person, but yeah, looks good. And it just has the tangling or the sound, if you could hear, and I like it. And then the next product or the next jewelry that we have is a traditional pearl necklace set, and this is the necklace set that you get. You don't get to choose a color, you get random, okay, you get a random color for yourself, and I am just gonna wear it. It comes with a earring. I'll show you the earring in a bit. Yeah, this looks fuller. This looks nice. Yeah, so here you go with the earring. So this is how the earring looks. This is like perfect if you're wearing any sari. Only this uh, would look really nice on you. So the next product is this one. I totally like it and love it because it's all floral. I'm a floral uh, sort of a person. So this one is the oxidized floral layer earring, which retails for rupees 300. Quite affordable for 300, and this is sort of heavy. Yeah, so that's how it looks. And then the last one, this is sort of heavy. This is the heaviest or the most heaviest earring in the box. And the last product is this chain, which retails for 250 rupees. So I'm just trying to open this out. Yeah, this is such a long earring, like long chain. You can wear this. Wow, this looks nice. Okay, this way. And also the tassel color, you cannot choose it. You just have to go ahead and accept the color that they send you. You don't get to choose any of the colors or any of the designs. Designs are very same, I know, but you don't get to choose the color for any of the earrings. So I'm gonna show you in a bit. So those were all the jewelry pieces that I got in this month's jewel Grabox. I hope you guys like it. I wouldn't say uh, I did not like the box. I meant I like the box so much. It is so much affordable and you get good quality. I wouldn't say they're of best quality or first quality products, but these are of good quality which you can, like, use on a daily basis or on any occasions. I totally love it. So that's it for today's video. If you like it, please like this video, and also I'll see you guys with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.